Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elevate Daily. Today we're diving into the world of healthy eating. We all know the benefits, from improved energy to weight loss. But why do many of us still opt for fast food? Time. There's this misconception that preparing healthy meals takes forever. But in this video, I'll show you how to streamline the process. Meet Mike, a dedicated professional with a hectic schedule. Juggling work, family, and personal goals, he always found himself pressed for time. Until one day, he decided to conquer the challenge of food preparation time management. Step 1 in Mike's success story was setting clear goals. He defined his health and fitness objectives, and armed with a plan, he ventured into the world of efficient meal preparation. Mike understood the importance of variety. To keep things exciting, he embraced a diverse range of proteins, veggies, and grains in his meal plan. The key is having a plan and structure in place. Let's break down the components of meal preparation step by step. Number 1, establish your goal. Whether it's weight loss, muscle building, or just more energy, your goal will guide your meal choices. You can find thousands of free recipes online tailored to your preferences. Number 2, make a shopping list. Be precise about what you need and in what proportions. This not only saves time at the store, but also money. Try to do your shopping in one go to avoid unnecessary trips. Number 3, cooking. With a clear plan and ingredients, cooking becomes straightforward. I cook for multiple meals at once, usually 3 times a week, saving time and effort. Consider using stackable food tubs for easy storage. Number 4, eating. Finally, when everything is prepared, it's time to serve and enjoy your healthy meals. Use this time to accomplish other goals, like family time or personal development. Now, let's break down the time investment. Shopping takes about an hour. Cooking 3 times a week adds up to 90 minutes each, totaling 5.5 hours per week. Considering there are 168 hours in a week, finding 5.5 hours for meal prep is manageable. So, as you can see, meal preparation isn't as time-consuming as it seems. The key is having a structure and plan. Finally, let me summarize. I've got 20 strategies to make your meal prep journey a breeze. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1, variety is key. Keep your taste buds excited by incorporating a variety of proteins, vegetables, and grains into your meal plan. This not only keeps things interesting, but also ensures you get a broad range of nutrients. Strategy number 2, plan ahead. Take some time each week to plan your meals. This avoids last-minute decisions and ensures you have all the ingredients on hand. Strategy number 3, batch cooking. Cook in bulk to save time. Prepare multiple servings of your favorite recipes, and you'll have ready-to-go meals for the entire week. Strategy number 4, invest in quality containers. Use durable and stackable containers for easy storage and portion control. This helps keep your meals fresh and organized in the fridge. Strategy number 5, prep snacks. Don't forget about snacks. Prepare healthy snacks like cut-up veggies, fruits, or portioned nuts to curb those midday cravings. Strategy number 6, smart shopping. Stick to your shopping list to avoid impulse purchases. Precise shopping saves time and money, making your overall meal prep experience more efficient. Strategy number 7, theme nights. Assign specific themes to your meal prep nights. For example, designate one day for Italian-inspired dishes and another for Asian flavors. This adds variety without complicating your prep routine. Strategy number 8, freeze for future. Certain meals freeze well. Utilize your freezer for long-term storage so you always have a backup when life gets busy. Strategy number 9, prep power bowls. Create versatile power bowls with a mix of proteins, veggies, and grains. These can be customized throughout the week, keeping your meals exciting. Strategy number 10, utilize multitasking. Maximize your time by multitasking during the cooking process. Listen to a podcast, audiobook, or catch up on your favorite show while prepping ingredients. Strategy number 11, create a recipe rotation. Keep your meal prep exciting by rotating through a selection of favorite recipes. This not only adds variety, but also ensures you never get bored with your meals. Strategy number 12, DIY salad kits. Simplify your lunch prep by assembling DIY salad kits. Pre-cut veggies, portioned proteins, and dressing in separate containers make for a quick and fresh salad every time. Strategy number 13, portion control with a kitchen scale. Invest in a kitchen scale to accurately portion your ingredients. This ensures you stick to your nutritional goals and helps streamline the prep process. Strategy number 14, prep breakfast the night before. Mornings can be hectic, so prep your breakfast the night before. Overnight oats, chia pudding, or yogurt parfaits are excellent options for a hassle-free morning meal. Strategy number 15, herb and spice. Mastery. Elevate your meals with a variety of herbs and spices. Create a spice mix or herb blend that complements multiple dishes, adding flavor without the need for complex preparations. Strategy number 16, cook once, eat twice. Plan meals that can be repurposed. For example, cook extra grilled chicken for dinner and use the leftovers in a wrap or salad for the next day's lunch. Strategy number 17, designated prep day. Choose a specific day for your meal prep. Having a designated prep day helps establish a routine and ensures you're always one step ahead. Strategy number 18, hydration station. Prep refreshing infused water or herbal teas alongside your meals to stay hydrated throughout the day. Strategy number 19, label everything. Avoid confusion by labeling your containers with the date and meal type. This small step can save you from accidental mix-ups and keep your fridge organized. Strategy number 20, enjoy the process. Turn meal prep into a positive experience. Involve family members, play your favorite tunes, or listen to a motivating podcast. Enjoying the process makes it more likely you'll stick with it in the long run. Now, we want to hear from you. What's one step you're going to take on your path to food preparation time management? Share it in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We consistently deliver 3 new videos each week, covering pivotal topics such as wealth, health, and relationships. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Until next time, from Elevate Daily.